Here I have HUAWEI MEDIAPAD T3 and let me show you how to reset all settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using a home screen. Let's find and select the settings icon right here. Afterwards, you have to scroll down through the left bar and let's go to advanced settings right here. Then choose backup and reset. From the following options, let's choose reset all settings. And this will reset all settings. No data or documents will be deleted. Settings that will be resetted are all network settings, screen lock passwords, and other settings as well. Let's start reset all settings. Choose reset all settings one more time. The device is restoring the default settings. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Let me press power key and let's activate a screen lock. As you can see, you just reset all settings. You can go back and start using your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.